Artemis EF-12 Escape. A next-level electric water taxi that's changing how we think about luxury travel on water. This thing doesn't just float, it flies above the surface using advanced e-foiler technology. That means it glides smoothly, quietly, and efficiently without creating much drag or waves. It can hit speeds of up to 30 knots and carry 12 passengers plus the crew comfortably. On a single fast charge, it covers around 52 nautical miles, and the best part? It does all this with *0 emissions. The *EF-12 Escape * isn't just about speed, it's about style, comfort, and being eco-friendly at the same time. With its sleek design, quiet ride, and fast charging system, it truly feels like the future of water transportation. In short, it's a perfect mix of performance and sustainability, showing us what's possible when innovation meets luxury. Avular Robotics. Showcase is all about showing off some amazing stuff happening in robotics and automation. Basically, Avular is changing the game for a bunch of industries with really smart and flexible robots. Their modular systems mean these robots can handle lots of different tasks, like working in logistics, helping in manufacturing, doing inspections, or even maintenance. If you come to the showcase, you'll see live demos with robots in action. They're super precise, efficient, and really easy to work with. Safety is a big deal too, and everything is designed to work smoothly with artificial intelligence. That means Avular's robots can make smart decisions even in tricky, changing environments. The showcase gives you a chance to see how these cutting-edge solutions are boosting productivity and making work easier across multiple sectors. It's not just about watching machines move, it's about seeing the future of robotics unfold right in front of you. And the highlight? The ELU Orange Storm Giga Robot, which really shows how far technology has come. It's fast, smart, and a peek at what's next in robotics. Highwonder. Arm Pi Ultra, a super cool 6-axis robotic arm built for the future of AI learning and robotics. It runs on the powerful Raspberry Pi 5 and is fully optimized for ROS 2, which means it's perfect for advanced robotics projects. This robot arm has 6 high-torque servos, giving it amazing precision when it comes to moving and handling 3D objects. It can track, detect, and even understand its surroundings in real time. One of the best parts? It comes with a 3D depth camera and the Wonder Echo AI voice box. So, you can actually talk to it. Yes, it understands voice commands and works with ChatGPT for real-time AI conversations. Whether you're into STEM education, research, or just love building smart robots, this is an awesome tool. It supports Python, deep learning frameworks, and YOLO 8 for object detection. Plus, with gazebo simulation, you can test and experiment safely before going live. In short, the Highwonder Arm Pi Ultra isn't just a robotic arm, it's a complete learning and innovation platform. Bamboo GTR. It's not just a skateboard, it's like a muscle car on wheels. This board is packed with dual 3000-watt motors, so it can speed up fast and go far, up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. The deck is made of bamboo and reinforced with fiberglass. That means it's strong but still has some flex, giving you a smooth, comfy ride. You won't feel those bumps as much, whether you're on city streets or rough trails. It also has Bluetooth, which sounds fancy, but really, it just makes controlling the power super easy. Acceleration and braking? Ultra smooth. You'll feel in total control. The drop-through truck design is smart, too. You can adjust it to your style, fast or chill, street or off-road. Basically, it's perfect for whatever kind of ride you're in the mood for. Riding the evolved Bamboo GTR is more than just skateboarding, it's an experience. Smooth, powerful, and fun. If you love adventure and want to take your rides to the next level, this board is for you. GAC City Cars concept is all about. It's built for modern urban life, small enough to fit anywhere, but powerful enough to make a difference. These cars produce zero emissions and come with advanced batteries that charge super fast. They're loaded with features like self-driving, AI navigation, and flexible interiors that can switch from work mode to chill mode in seconds. Their sleek design makes parking and turning in tight spots effortless. It's a cool mix of technology, convenience, and sustainability, showing what the future of city travel could look like. Micro tugs. Now, meet the Micro Tug, a tiny but mighty robot created by Stanford University's biomimetics and dexterous manipulation lab. Don't let its size fool you. It weighs only 9 grams but can pull up to 2,000 times its own weight. Its secret? Gecko-inspired sticky feet that help it grip surfaces with incredible strength. This lets the Micro Tug drag heavy objects and even climb walls. It's a huge step forward for robotics, with possible uses in factories, space missions, and rescue operations. Tiny, smart, and unbelievably strong. That's Micro Tug for you. O2. It just got launched and it's being called the world's most powerful tidal turbine. This is a big deal for renewable energy. The O2 is set up off the coast of Orkney, Scotland, and it uses the power of ocean tides to make clean electricity. What's cool is that it floats on the water and has underwater rotors that spin with the tides. All this energy can power thousands of homes every year. Orbital Marine Power developed it, and it's a real game changer for tidal energy. The O2 helps us rely less on fossil fuels and fight climate change. It's proof that ocean energy can be a steady and reliable source of power. Imagine a future where turbines like this help keep the planet greener. This launch isn't just about one turbine, it's showing what's possible with renewable energy. The success of O2 could pave the way for more innovations in ocean power. STM Neta 300, a smart tactical system built for reconnaissance and surveillance. In simple words, it helps gather real-time information from the battlefield with incredible accuracy. Even though it's compact, the Neta 300 packs a lot of power. It comes with advanced sensors, high-resolution cameras, and secure communication tools that let operators easily monitor, detect, and analyze threats. Everything happens fast and precisely, giving teams a clear picture of what's going on around them. One of the best things about the Neta 300 is its modular design. That means it can be used almost anywhere, mounted on ground vehicles, installed at fixed stations, or even attached to unmanned systems. Whether it's border security, military missions, or quick response operations, the STM Neta 300 gives forces an edge. It boosts awareness, speeds up decision-making, and keeps people safer, even in the toughest environments. It's basically a reliable eye in the sky, or on the ground, that helps make smarter and safer moves in real time. Watercar. Panther Pro is one of the coolest adventure vehicles out there. Imagine a mix between a Jeep-style SUV and a boat. That's what this machine is. It's tough, versatile, and built for fun on both land and water. The chassis is made from lightweight steel, and the body is fiberglass. That keeps it strong but not too heavy. On the road, it can reach speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. Once you hit the water, it still cruises at around 45 miles per hour, which is impressive for a vehicle that can do both. The Panther Pro comes in 3 trim levels. The top version has a 3.7-liter V6 VTEC engine with 305 horsepower. That's the same kind of power you'd expect from a second-generation Acura MDX SUV. So, you're not giving up performance just because it's amphibious. It's built tough enough for off-road trails, yet smooth enough for open water. Switching from land to water is seamless, you just drive straight in. For anyone who loves exploring, the Panther Pro delivers a unique experience. It's not just transportation, it's about adventure, style, and the freedom to go wherever the road, or the water, takes you. Stabix 240FT Amphibious is not your average boat. It's built to move smoothly on both land and water, giving you the best of both worlds. At the helm, you get a wide 1,100mm double console with a big 300mm screen. This makes steering and control easy, with clear visibility. The boat is tough too. It has heavy-duty fendering, hard anodized alloy cleats, and strong materials that resist corrosion. On land, it runs with a 40-horsepower Briggs & Stratton FE engine. The 3-wheel drive system, hydraulic hoses, and diff lock help it switch from land to water without any trouble. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The Stabix comes with a soft touch steering wheel, special flooring, and a Fusion RA 210 sound system with 4 speakers. Perfect for enjoying your time on the water. Other features make it even more practical. There's a big casting platform, a reversible twin bench seat, and even a 70 LIC Tech chili bin for your food and drinks. You can also choose your own powder coat and paint colors to make it personal. The Stabix 240 FT Amphibious is all about strength, style, and versatility. Designed for people who want more than just a boat. Stabix 240 FT Amphibious is not your average boat. It's built to move smoothly on both land and water, giving you the best of both worlds. At the helm, you get a wide 1,100mm double console with a big 300mm screen. This makes steering and control easy, with clear visibility. The boat is tough too. It has heavy-duty fendering, hard anodized alloy cleats, and strong materials that resist corrosion. On land, it runs with a 40-horsepower Briggs & Stratton FE engine. The 3-wheel drive system, hydraulic hoses, and diff lock help it switch from land to water without any trouble. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The Stabix comes with a soft-touch steering wheel, special flooring, and a Fusion RA 210 sound system with 4 speakers. Perfect for enjoying your time on the water. Other features make it even more practical. There's a big casting platform, a reversible twin bench seat, and even a 70 LIC Tech chili bin for your food and drinks. You can also choose your own powder coat and paint colors to make it personal. The Stabix 240 FT Amphibious is all about strength, style, and versatility. Designed for people who want more than just a boat. Outrider Coyote is a game-changer for adaptive hunters. It's one of the most capable hunting vehicles out there. What makes it special? First, it has an amazing battery range and the lightest 4-wheel drive system ever built. That means it's powerful but still easy to handle. Since it runs on ultra-quiet electric hub motors, you can move at good speeds without making loud noise. That's a huge plus when you're hunting because animals won't be scared away. Electric motors also give you instant torque, which helps with traction, climbing steep trails, and towing heavy loads. The Coyote is also compact and lightweight. Schiller S1C is one of the coolest ones out there. It's basically like riding a normal bike, but instead of a road, you're pedaling on water, rivers, lakes, even the sea. As you ride, you feel the breeze on your face and the water splashing around. It's fun, but also gives you a solid workout. The bike floats on inflatable pontoons, so it stays steady and safe. No noisy chains here. It runs on a smooth carbon belt, which makes the ride quiet and easy. Steering is simple too. You just use the handlebars and a jet drive. Hero Arm. Open Bionics Hero Arm is more than just a prosthetic, it's a game changer. It's light, weighing only about 340 grams, and made using advanced 3D printing. That makes it both strong and stylish at the same time. What makes it special is its multi-grip function. This gives users more control and flexibility in everyday life, making simple tasks much easier. It's not just about looks. The Hero Arm can lift up to 8 kilograms, which is pretty impressive for its size. The battery lasts all day, so users don't have to worry about it stopping halfway through. It's built to support them in work, play. Inventions Smart Automated Iron. Still wasting hours ironing? What if your clothes could iron themselves? Meet the Inventions Smart Automated Iron, a game-changing device that takes the chore out of ironing. About the size of a desktop printer, this smart machine needs no ironing board. Just hang your clothes, tap start, and watch as it presses, steams, and smooths everything in under a minute. From shirts and blouses to tricky collars and cuffs, it handles them all with ease. Powered by advanced steam and smart pressure control, it adapts to every fabric and ensures a crisp, professional finish without leaving damp spots. Safety is built in with cool touch surfaces, auto shut-off, and smart sensors. Plus, with an app that lets you choose between eco, refresh, or hygiene modes, you get perfect results every time, while saving water, energy, and effort. Efficiency, safety, and elegance. Finally, ironing made effortless. DHABIYAN This isn't just an SUV, it's the biggest one ever built. Rocket, this isn't just an SUV, it's the largest SUV on the planet. Meet the Dian, a jaw-dropping creation from the United Arab Emirates that looks more like a moving skyscraper than a car. Designed by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan, famously known as the Rainbow Sheikh, this monster ride stretches over 10 meters long, stands taller than most trucks, and tips the scales at a staggering 24 tons. What makes it even crazier? Underneath its futuristic SUV body lies the chassis of a US military tank transporter. That means it's not just massive, it's built for serious power. With its oversized tires, gleaming chrome details, and luxury touches, the Dian is part engineering marvel, part rolling monument. It's less of a car you drive, and more of an icon you experience. In short, the Dian doesn't just turn heads, it redefines what an SUV can be. Toyo Tires Ferret. From the battlefield to the off-road stage, this is no ordinary vehicle. Meet the Toyo Tires Ferret, a Cold War scout car reborn as an unstoppable off-road beast. Originally designed for stealth and speed, the British Ferret armored car once prowled the front lines of reconnaissance missions. But Toyo Tires has reimagined this piece of military history into a jaw-dropping showpiece that screams power and performance. With its massive off-road tires, lifted suspension, and stealthy matte black finish, the Ferret is built to turn heads while tackling the toughest terrain. It's not just a throwback, it's proof of what happens when military toughness meets cutting-edge tire technology. The Toyo Tires Ferret isn't here to blend in, it's here to dominate. Toyo Tires Ferret. From the battlefield to the off-road stage, this is no ordinary vehicle. Meet the Toyo Tires Ferret, a Cold War scout car reborn as an unstoppable off-road beast. Originally designed for stealth and speed, the British Ferret armored car once prowled the front lines of reconnaissance missions. But Toyo Tires has reimagined this piece of military history into a jaw-dropping showpiece that screams power and performance. With its massive off-road tires, lifted suspension, and stealthy matte black finish, the Ferret is built to turn heads while tackling the toughest terrain. It's not just a throwback, it's proof of what happens when military toughness meets cutting-edge tire technology. The Toyo Tires Ferret isn't here to blend in, it's here to dominate. Jet Cycle Max. Imagine flying across the water, faster than a jet ski, but with the freedom of cycling through the air. This is the Jet Cycle Max. The Jet Cycle Max is no ordinary ride. It's a revolutionary watercraft that combines the raw thrill of high-speed jet skiing with the cutting-edge magic of hydrofoil cycling. Powered by a high-performance engine, it delivers rapid acceleration and soaring top speeds, while advanced fuel technology keeps it efficient and eco-friendly. Built from rugged marine-grade materials, it's tough enough to handle any adventure. What makes it truly unique is its hydrofoiling design, allowing the bike to rise above the waves and glide smoothly over the water's surface. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or just want the coolest new way to explore the water, the Jet Cycle Max delivers an unforgettable ride. This isn't just a watercraft, it's the future of fun on the water. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100, also called the 103EX, is a wild look at the future of luxury cars. Rolls-Royce showed it off during BMW's 100-year celebration, and it was their first big step into imagining what the future of high-end travel could be. This car isn't just about driving, it's about making a statement. Every Vision Next 100 is designed to match the owner's personal taste. Think of it less like buying a car and more like commissioning a piece of art that also happens to move. The outside looks like something from a sci-fi movie. It has long, sweeping lines and smooth curves that make it feel futuristic but still elegant. Underneath, it's all electric, showing that Rolls-Royce is serious about new technology and sustainability. Now, the price tag? Around $20 million. Yep, it's insanely expensive. But that's part of the point. It's not just transportation, it's the future of luxury, rolled into one car. The Vision Next 100 isn't about how fast it goes or how far it drives. It's about Rolls-Royce saying, this is what's possible. It's bold, rare, and unforgettable. Caracat 66. Imagine a caravan that doesn't stop when the road ends, it keeps going, straight onto the water. The Caracat 66 is a groundbreaking amphibious caravan catamaran that brings together the comfort of luxury travel with the thrill of adventure. On land, it offers the coziness of a high-end caravan with hardwood floors, leather seating, a fully equipped kitchen, spacious sleeping areas, and even a stylish bathroom. Large windows and an open layout make the interior feel bright and inviting, while solar panels and energy-efficient systems extend your journeys with less impact on the environment. But here's where it gets exciting. When the road runs out, the Caracat 66 transforms into a sleek catamaran. Powerful outboard or inboard motors let you cruise effortlessly across lakes, rivers, or coastlines. Whether you're planning a road trip, a fishing expedition, or a leisurely water cruise, this innovative hybrid lets you enjoy the freedom of both worlds in one unforgettable travel experience. Nissan Altima TAWD. What happens when you turn a Nissan Altima into a snow-crushing beast? Meet the Altima TAWD, a car that thinks it's a snowmobile. Nissan has taken winter driving to a whole new level with the Altima TAWD, a wild one-off concept unveiled at the Montreal International Auto Show. Inspired by snowmobiles, this machine trades its wheels for a heavy-duty track system, built to power through deep snow and icy terrain with ease. It's the perfect blend of rugged performance and the sleek design you'd expect from an Altima, but this time, it's engineered to laugh in the face of winter. Beyond its eye-catching tracks, the Altima TAWD is equipped with Nissan's intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and control even in the harshest conditions. More than just a showpiece, this project highlights Nissan's fearless approach to innovation and adventure. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about proving that when the road disappears under snow and ice, the journey doesn't have to end. Tinger Dog. Forget bulky snowmobiles. This compact machine can pull over half a ton across snow, ice, and even marshland, all while sipping just 3 liters of fuel per hour. Meet the Tinger Dog, a rugged all-season utility machine built for anyone who loves the outdoors. Whether you're ice fishing, hunting, farming, or just exploring the wilderness, this powerhouse makes tough terrain feel easy. Powered by a reliable 13-horsepower engine, it glides over snow, ice, and mud with ultra-low ground pressure. Just 0.5 psi. So you can travel safely and smoothly without sinking. Don't let its size fool you. The Tinger Dog can tow 3 to 4 sleds with loads up to 1,000 pounds. Its studded track keeps traction strong, while the disc brake system ensures safe stopping power. Compact, fuel-efficient, and versatile, it's more than just a machine, it's your ultimate outdoor companion. From hauling gear to creating unforgettable adventures, the Tinger Dog combines power, practicality, and fun in one. Evolution Dome is all about inflatable event spaces. Think of them as huge, modern domes you can set up almost anywhere. They work for outdoor festivals, big conferences, or even product launches. What people love most isn't just the structures, it's the team. Clients say the crew is friendly, helpful, and always ready to get the job done. The domes themselves are easy to set up and take down, which makes planning stress-free. Another big plus is how well they're built. They're insulated, so they stay comfortable inside no matter the weather. On top of that, companies can brand them in all kinds of ways, turning the space into something that really stands out. Evolution Dome also has the largest stock of inflatable structures in the UK. They're ISO 9001 certified, which basically means they stick to high-quality standards. And they've proven how fast they can move, once setting up over 1,300 meters of structures in just 12 hours. Timbersled Gen 2 Riot. Why store your dirt bike all winter when you can turn it into the ultimate snow machine? Snowflake Fire. Meet the Timbersled Gen 2 Riot 3, a snowbike system built to keep your riding season alive long after the trails are covered in snow. With unmatched power and agility, it transforms your regular dirt bike into a high-performance beast made for meadows, trails, and mountain terrain. Engineered for thrill seekers, the Riot 3 delivers smooth handling and precise control, letting you carve turns and conquer deep powder with ease. Its advanced braking system ensures safety when conditions get tough, while durable components keep performance reliable all season long. Whether you're chasing adventure or just refusing to wait for spring, the Timbersled Riot 3 makes every ride unforgettable, turning winter into your playground. Snow Go Ski Bike. Forget everything you know about skiing. What if you could ride the slopes like a bike? The Snow Go Ski Bike takes winter adventure to the next level by combining the thrill of skiing with the fun and control of biking. Instead of skis on your feet, you're on a bike frame designed for the snow, steering with a front ski while a rear track powers you forward. It's a whole new way to carve down the mountain. What makes it special is how easy it is to learn. Whether you're a skier, a biker, or brand new to both, Snow Go gives you the freedom to ride snowy trails, groomed slopes, or fresh powder with confidence. It's all about smooth control, stability, and non-stop fun. If you're looking to shake up your winter routine with something unforgettable, the Snow Go Ski Bike is your ticket to adventure. PALV Liberty is both a car and an aircraft. It's often called the world's first flying car, and for good reason. On the road, it drives like a sleek three-wheeled vehicle. In the air, it transforms into a gyrocopter. The rotor blades and tail fold away when you're driving, then unfold when it's time to fly. Switching between the two modes is quick and simple. While driving, it feels similar to a motorcycle or a small car. In flight, it can reach speeds of about 100 miles per hour and cover up to 310 miles before landing. That's enough for short to medium trips without any stress. Another big advantage is its ability to handle vertical takeoffs and landings. You don't always need a full runway, which makes it much more practical than a regular small plane. In the end, the PALV Liberty gives you the best of both worlds: the freedom to cruise on the road and the thrill of flying in the sky, all with one machine. Boat Looker 320 is a pretty cool ride if you're into sightseeing on the water. It's a glass-bottom hydrofoil boat, which means you don't just get to see what's around you, you also get to check out what's under the water. The bottom of the boat is see-through, so passengers can watch marine life as they cruise along. It's perfect for tours in places with clear water and interesting sea life. Now, because it's a hydrofoil, this boat doesn't just float like a regular one. When it picks up speed, it actually rises above the water. That cuts down on drag, makes the ride smoother, and even saves fuel. So, you're not just getting a fun experience, you're getting an efficient one too. Inside, the Looker 320 is built for comfort and safety. It comes with all the basics you'd want. A hydraulic steering system, Atlas Nest. Imagine a drone station that sets up in just 3 minutes, runs almost entirely on its own, and needs maintenance only 3 times a year. That's not the future, it's here today with Atlas Nest. Atlas Nest is transforming the drone industry with its smart, portable docking and charging system. Unlike traditional stations that take an hour to deploy, eat up valuable space, and require constant upkeep, Atlas Nest is designed for speed, efficiency, and simplicity. Its fully autonomous setup means anyone can use it, no technical background required. With seamless integration into existing workflows, Atlas Nest reduces downtime and cuts operational costs, all while boosting productivity. Whether for businesses, emergency services, or everyday operations, this system delivers a reliable and space-saving solution. Atlas Nest isn't just another tool, it's the next step in drone innovation, combining advanced technology with easy usability to make drones more effective than ever before. InMotion RS. What if your scooter could hit 110 km per hour and take you up to 160 km on a single charge? Meet the InMotion RS, the electric scooter that's rewriting the rules of urban mobility. Powered by dual 2000W motors, the RS isn't just fast, it's built for pure adrenaline. With a top speed of 110 km per hour, it rivals the thrill of a motorcycle while giving you the freedom of an e-scooter. Its innovative transforming design adapts to city streets or open roads, making it versatile for any adventure. Backed by a massive 72 volts battery pack, you'll enjoy up to 160 kilometers of range without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're chasing speed, long-distance travel, or everyday convenience, the InMotion RS delivers it all: power, range, and futuristic design in one unstoppable ride. Duhan iTank. What if your daily commute felt more like an adventure than a chore? Meet the Duhan iTank, the 3-wheel electric scooter that's changing the way we move through the city. With its unique dual front wheels, the iTank brings you unbeatable stability and safety, gliding smoothly even over rough streets. Powered by a reliable LG lithium battery and a robust Bosch motor, it's built for performance and trust. You can cruise at speeds of up to 25 km per hour and cover 45 km on a single charge, giving you the freedom to explore the city without constant recharging. Blending cutting-edge technology with a sleek, ergonomic design, the Duhan iTank is more than just a ride. It's an eco-friendly lifestyle upgrade. If you're ready for commuting that's stable, stylish, and exhilarating, the iTank is waiting for you. Globe High Voltage. Aerialis, Advanced Jet Trainer. This jet is a big step for military aviation. It's designed to be flexible, affordable, and ready for the future. The jet was developed in the UK and is all about doing more with less. It uses a modular airframe system, which means you can swap out wings, tails, and engines. One fuselage can handle multiple roles, from basic pilot training to light combat missions. Performance-wise, it's impressive. The jet can reach speeds over Mach 0.9, which is close to what frontline fighters can do. Yet, it's cheaper to run and maintain than other high-performance jets. Inside, the cockpit is fully digital. This helps train pilots on the systems they'll use in next-generation aircraft. So, when they move on to other jets, they're already familiar with the tech. Aerialis isn't just a plane. It's a flexible solution for air forces that want to simplify their fleets, cut training costs, and keep up with fast-changing technology. Bailey Senator. California S6 is a caravan that mixes comfort with affordability. It's lightweight, with an unladen weight of just 1,259 kilograms, so it's easy to tow and handle. Inside, you get plenty of space. The internal length is 5.60 meters, and the overall length is 7.19 meters. At 2.28 meters wide, it feels roomy without being bulky. The layout is smart. There's a cozy lounge, a well-fitted kitchen, and a rear bedroom with a big fixed double bed. The end washroom has both a shower and a toilet, which makes life on the road easier. Even with its compact design, storage is not a problem. You'll find a double wardrobe and lots of overhead lockers. Overall, it's a solid, well-designed caravan, perfect for anyone who wants comfort and practicality. Bionic Bee. It's inspired by nature but powered by modern technology. This little machine is part of a group of inventions called Micro-Aerial Vehicles, or MAVs. It has delicate artificial wings that flap just like those of a real bee. The amazing part is how light it is. Because of that, it can stay in the air for a long time and even carry small loads. What can it carry? Tiny sensors, pollen, or other lightweight materials. This makes it perfect for tasks like monitoring crops, helping with pollination, or collecting data about the environment. The Bionic Bee is still being developed, but the potential is huge. Picture them flying through orchards, checking plant health, or helping farmers with precision agriculture. They could even be used in rescue missions, flying into disaster zones to search for survivors or deliver small but vital supplies. The Bionic Bee shows us how studying nature can inspire big breakthroughs in technology. It may be tiny, but it represents a giant step forward. With more development, these little robots could transform the way we work, farm, and even save lives. Blizzwheel. E-scooter is all about convenience and portability. What makes it special is its ultra-compact foldable design. When folded, it measures just 15.6 by 6.4 by 3.9 inches. That's small enough to fit in a backpack or even a carry-on bag. It's also super light. The standard model weighs only 8.8 pounds, while the Pro version is 11.9 pounds. That makes it easy to carry when you're on the move. This scooter is built for short trips and last-mile commutes, where portability really matters. The standard Blizzwheel comes with dual 200-watt motors. It can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and offers a range of around 8 miles. If you want more power, the Pro model upgrades to dual 300-watt motors. That boosts the top speed to 15 miles per hour and extends the range to about 15 miles. Both models include handy features like a digital display, front and rear lights, turn signals, and a dual braking system for safety. And with prices starting at just $300, it's a practical option for city life. The Blizzwheel e-scooter combines style, function, and portability, making it a smart choice for urban mobility. Brooder EXP7. It's a top-of-the-line off-road camper trailer. It blends luxury with rugged performance perfectly. The camper is 23 feet long. Depending on the model, it can sleep up to 6 people in the PT version or 4 in the GT. So it's great for families or small groups. Power is not an issue. The Express 7 comes with a 1245W solar array, a 10.8 kWh lithium battery system, and a 3000W inverter. That means you can stay off-grid for longer without worrying about electricity. Water is also covered. It has a 280-liter freshwater tank, so you can take extended trips without running out. The camper is really practical, too. It has both an indoor and outdoor kitchen, and the bathroom doubles as a mudroom. That's perfect for cleaning up after a long day outdoors. It's built tough. The heavy-duty chassis and 12 inches of suspension travel let it handle rough terrain with ease. The Brooder Express 7 is made for people who want comfort while exploring off the beaten path. It's luxury, convenience, and durability all in one trailer. Diablo is a two-wheeled robot. It's built as an open platform, so you can use it for many different things. It's strong, flexible, and very stable. Thanks to its direct drive system, it moves smoothly and feels free. This robot can balance on its own and even tilt up to 37 degrees. It can handle rough ground and absorbs about 60% of shocks, so it doesn't lose control. Diablo can also jump and deliver strong bursts of power, with a torque of up to 70 Nm. It stays steady because of its high-precision joint system, accurate within 0.01 degrees. The motion feels natural and composed. You can control it in many ways, and it also supports extra development. By using direct drive instead of gears, Diablo makes robots quieter, more delicate, and much more advanced. Doppelmayr. Garaventa builds some of the best people movers in the world. No matter what kind of transport you need, they've got it covered. Cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, even funiculars, they make them all. With over 15,400 installations in 96 countries, they've worked on just about every type of project you can think of. Ski resorts, city transport, amusement parks, or even moving materials, they design systems that fit the job. What makes them stand out is their mix of technology, quality, and safety. Their products are built to last, work smoothly, and are also eco-friendly. You know you're getting something reliable when their name is on it. And it's not just about the machines. They handle everything from planning to design, from building to maintenance. That means you can count on them from start to finish, and even long after your system is running. If you're ever looking at ropeways or people movers, they're the team you want on your side. Of course, all this doesn't come cheap. A typical installation can cost anywhere between $1 million and $100 million. But with their record, many would say it's worth it. Ducati X Diavel V4. This bike is a cruiser, but it's not just about relaxed riding. It combines Italian style with some serious modern technology. At the heart of it is a 1,158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine. It delivers 168 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute and 126 Nm of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. In simple terms, it's powerful, fast, and smooth. The bike uses a 6-speed manual transmission with Ducati Quick Shift. That means you can shift up or down without using the clutch, making rides more fluid and fun. Its chassis is built around an aluminum monocoque frame. Up front, you get 50mm fully adjustable USD forks, and at the back, a fully adjustable monoshock. The suspension is designed to handle both comfort and performance. For braking, the X Diavel V4 comes with dual 330mm front discs and Brembo-style monoblock calipers. At the rear, there's a 265mm disc with a Brembo 2-piston caliper. Both are supported by cornering ABS for extra safety. The bike weighs 229 kilograms wet, with a seat height of 770mm. It also packs in a 6.9-inch TFT display, full LED lighting, cruise control, multimedia, and more. GoCamp. Goo Bike is a fresh take on outdoor adventure. It's an electric cargo bike that doubles as a camper, giving you the freedom of cycling and the comfort of camping in one clever design. The base is a sturdy electric cargo bike. On top of it sits a camper module that attaches securely and creates a stable, comfortable setup. For something so compact, the living area inside is surprisingly spacious. It's built with eco-friendly travel in mind. Solar panels on the camper recharge the bike's battery and also power small onboard electronics. That means you can keep riding and camping while reducing your environmental impact. The design itself is also eye-catching. Unlike traditional campers or trailers, the Goo Bike has a unique and modern look. It's sure to stand out on the road or at a campsite. What makes it so exciting is how it blends two great experiences. You get the fun and freedom of cycling, plus the convenience of having a little home with you. For eco-conscious travelers, it's a sustainable and adventurous way to explore the outdoors without leaving a big footprint. The Go Camp Goo Bike is all about adventure, freedom, and living lightly. GOVY Airjet. It's a new type of flying car made by GC Group under their GOI brand. This vehicle is super innovative. It combines the speed of a small airplane with the ability to take off and land vertically, like a drone. The Airjet is mostly made from carbon fiber, over 90% of it. That makes it very light but also strong. It runs on GC's high-efficiency electric system, so it's eco-friendly. It can reach speeds up to 250 km per hour, or 155 miles per hour, and travel about 200 kilometers, which is 124 miles, on a single charge. And if the battery runs low, it can recharge in just 30 minutes. Inside, it's like a luxury cabin. The seating is one-on-one, so it feels spacious. The roof is a Pixel Galaxy Starlight design, giving you a really immersive view while flying. It also has smart features like autonomous flight, obstacle detection, and redundant safety systems to keep everything safe. The GOVY Airjet is designed to make city and intercity travel faster, cleaner, and more exciting. It's a glimpse into the future of air travel, mixing comfort, speed, and cutting-edge technology in one sleek flying car. Gyroscopic Transport. These are solar-powered, disc-shaped vehicles that float above traffic. They use flywheels and gyroscopic tech to stay balanced and stable. Because they travel above the roads, they create extra lanes in the air. This reduces traffic jams and helps cut down on accidents. The design also makes travel more comfortable. Passengers could choose between simple economy seating or luxury compartments with sofas, TVs, and internet access. It's a bold vision of how city travel could change in the future. Another concept pushing urban mobility forward is the Airbus pop-up. This system mixes ground and air travel into one seamless ride. It has three parts: a ground module, an air module, and a passenger capsule. The capsule is the main part. It can connect to wheels for the road or attach to a drone-like air module for flying. The whole system is run through an app. AI helps plan the best route depending on traffic and traveler preferences. Heart Yachting. This company builds luxury houseboats, and the best part is, they make them just the way you want. You can choose the size, from 30 feet all the way up to 60 feet, depending on what fits your needs. These houseboats aren't just simple boats. They come fully equipped with modern comforts. You'll find air conditioning, heating, a proper shower, a galley kitchen, and even a flybridge for those amazing views. It's like having a floating home. For power, the boats use a Vetus diesel engine with shaft propulsion. They also come with bow and stern thrusters, which make steering and docking much easier. Even if you're not an expert at maneuvering boats, these features keep it stress-free. Heart Yachting designs their boats for relaxation. Imagine cruising across a lake, enjoying the views, and having all the comfort you need right there with you. Now, about the price. On average, one of these houseboats costs around $200,000. But the final cost depends on the size and features you choose. What makes Heart Yachting stand out is the mix of quality, comfort, and stylish design. Their houseboats are perfect for people who want luxury living on the water. England. Super Quad isn't your regular quad bike. It's something way more extreme. Think of it as a mix between a supercar and an off-road machine. It's built for speed, power, and luxury all at once. Under the hood, this beast carries a massive V10 engine. That means it can push out 1,100 horsepower. With that kind of power, it can fly past 200 miles per hour. Imagine that, on a quad bike. But it's not just about speed. The design will make you stop and stare. It has smooth, sharp lines and a full carbon fiber body. Inside, it feels more like a high-end car. You get leather seats, digital displays, and everything feels custom-made. Every detail screams premium. The whole idea behind the Super Quad is to give riders something they've never experienced before. It blends raw performance with pure comfort. It's like riding a rocket, but with style. Now, let's talk about price. J6 Fregata is a sleek motor glider from Poland. It's a single-seater, built with lightweight but tough materials. The V-tail design and fixed landing gear make it simple, reliable, and easy to handle on the ground. The engine sits at the back in a pusher style. By default, it comes with a Honda BF52 marine engine that gives 52 horsepower. It has fuel injection, a catalytic converter, and even a built-in diagnostic system. If you want, you can swap it out for a Rotax 582 or a Rotax 912-0. The wingspan is about 41 feet, with a length of nearly 17 feet. It's very efficient in the air, with a great lift-to-drag ratio. The Fregata isn't just for fun. Joby S4 is basically a flying taxi, but electric. It's built by Joby Aviation and can carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers. On a single trip, it can fly about 150 miles and reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Think of it as Uber, but in the sky. The cool part is its design. It's a tilt-rotor aircraft with 6 electric motors. For takeoff and landing, the motors face upward so it lifts straight into the air. Once it's flying, they tilt forward and it moves ahead just like a plane. What makes the S4 stand out is how quiet it is. Helicopters are usually super loud, but this one uses special tech to cut down noise. The price tag is around $1.3 million, but it's built to be fast, efficient, and practical for cities. The S4 shows that flying taxis aren't just a dream anymore, they're getting real. Kodiak Canvas. Cabin tent is tough but also pretty comfortable. It's a 12 by 12 lodge tent, built with strong Hydra Shield cotton canvas that keeps you dry and cozy. You'll get a heavy zippered bag and solid 12-inch steel stakes with it. It takes 2 people to set up, but once it's up, you'll love the space. The ceiling is tall, 7.5 feet at the peak, so you can stand and move around easily. The walls are almost straight, which makes the inside feel roomy. The frame uses galvanized steel tubing, so it can handle strong winds and even snow. It also has a stove jack, so you can add a wood-burning stove inside for warmth. Don't need it? Just zip the cover shut. There's also an optional 8 by 8 enclosed awning you can add. It expands your space by almost half, giving you extra room for gear or just a spot to hang out. Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile. This isn't your regular phone. It's called the Motorola Adaptive Display, and it's a mix between a smartphone and a wearable gadget. The screen is full-sized and bendable, which means it can change shape to fit different uses. Motorola showed it at MWC 2024. The phone has small batteries across its back, so the screen can bend and even stand up on its own. You can also snap it onto a wristband using magnets. Imagine taking calls, scrolling apps, or even using built-in AI to match your outfit's colors, all from the same device. It's a 6.9-inch display, and while it doesn't have a rear camera, the focus here is on flexibility and future design. For now, it's just a concept, not for sale yet. Now, something for kids, the Ninebot e-Kick Scooter C2. It's built for ages 6 to 12 and can reach 16 km per hour with a range of 11 kilometers. It has 3 riding modes: Standard, Sport, and Power Assist. Safety has been tested with drops and long road rides. The scooter has 7-inch tires, shock absorption, and even cool lights under the footboard. Plus, it folds easily. All this for about $249.99. Muller. In the summer of 2024, Germany faced more wildfire problems, especially in Brandenburg. The area has lots of dry pine trees, and to make it worse, there are still old World War II munitions buried there. That makes fighting fires even more dangerous. To help, teams now use the Muller safety trailer. It's a tough, watertight trailer built for emergencies. Firefighters, rescue crews, and towing teams can all rely on it in tough situations. The trailer is big inside, about 7 meters long and 2.4 meters wide. It can hold up to 17,000 liters of water. It has special couplings. Ohio Ordnance. Works in simple words. It's a well-known company that makes different kinds of firearms. They focus a lot on light, medium, and heavy machine guns. Their main clients are the military, law enforcement, and government agencies all over the world. But they don't just stop at firearms. They also create accessories and mounting systems for vehicles and even aircraft. That means their products can be used in many different ways. Another big part of what they do is services. They offer repair, rebuild, training, and even rental options. So, if a client needs support beyond just buying a weapon, they can rely on them. Since 1981, Ohio Ordnance Works has built a strong name in the global arms industry. They're known for custom solutions, reliable service, and always putting their customers first. Valo Hyperfoil is like surfing, flying, and motorcycling all rolled into one. It's an electric hydrofoil that gives you a smooth, powerful ride right above the water. What makes it special is its advanced stability system and flight control software. These features keep the ride steady while still letting you make sharp moves. It can go from 0 to 45 miles per hour in just 8 seconds. That's fast for something gliding on water. When you're on it, the Hyperfoil feels effortless. It lifts above the surface and gives you the thrill of speed without the bumps. At the same time, it stays surprisingly calm and smooth. The build is just as impressive. It's made from high-end materials like carbon fiber, titanium, and ultra-strong stainless steel. That makes it light but also incredibly tough. The electric motor is quiet, eco-friendly, and produces zero emissions. Of course, all this tech and design comes at a price. The Valo Hyperfoil costs about $59,000. It's not cheap, but it's crafted for performance and luxury. The first exclusive models are set to launch in late 2024. Van Rom. Easy Sport Small is a recumbent tricycle made for kids and smaller adults. It's sporty, fun, and very comfortable to ride. The seat is reclined with back support, so it's easier on your back, neck, shoulders, and wrists than a regular bike. This trike is designed for people with an inner leg length of 47 to 73 centimeters, which is about 1.20 to 1.60 meters tall. So, it's perfect for children and shorter adults. The seat height and angle can be adjusted to fit you just right. Because of its lower center of gravity, it feels more stable and gives a sporty riding style. Walk car. It's not just a concept, it's a real product. Think of it as a super portable electric vehicle you can carry around. Depending on the model, it goes about 10 to 12 kilometers per hour, that's around 6 to 7 miles per hour. On a single charge, you can ride it for 18 to 20 kilometers, or roughly 11 to 12 miles. The coolest part? It folds up into a size similar to a large briefcase or a small carry-on bag. That means you can toss it in your car trunk, take it on public transport, or just carry it with you. It's perfect for short city trips or last-mile commutes. It won't replace your main ride, but it's a fun, practical way to get around. Wasima V8M. It's not your regular quad bike. This beast is made by the French brand Lazare, and it's built to blow your mind. Under the hood, it's got a massive 4.7 L V8 engine that pushes out 460 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. That means insane speed and raw power every time you hit the throttle. The design is pure style mixed with advanced tech. You get hydraulic power steering, a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and a body made of carbon fiber and composites. Inside, the seat is finished with Alcantara and Paris leather, pure luxury. For grip, It rolls on Michelin tires, 315mm up front, 285mm at the back.